Hey y'all, so I was not even here to pick up polish. I came in to get some shampoo and conditioners, but of course I had to walk down the nail aisle because I did not show you guys these new Kiss quick dries that I seen the last time I came. I took a picture of them and shared them on my Instagram, and the one that I recently used that you guys seen in my shorts video was from another beauty supply. They didn't have all of these beautiful colors, but this beauty supply had so many pretty colors. I would pick almost all of them. They were so pretty. I did pick up only one, but I definitely see a couple I do want to go back and get, but they were only $2.99. They're supposed to dry 2 times faster than I guess the regular Kiss polish that I'm going to show you guys after I show you guys these ones. I ended up picking up this color highlighter. I've been wanting a color like this for the longest, so I picked that up. I thought it would make a cute pedicure or even on nails. Look at the sparkle in this, so pretty. And so is the one next to it. It was kind of like a rose gold, and they had one called Disco Lights. This one here was like a satin finish. I almost got this one, but I just was not sure if I was gonna like that finish or not. Now these are the regular Kiss gels. Some of these colors you can find at Dollar Tree, but they do have a lot of colors that Dollar Tree does not have. This one was Vampire. I thought that was a pretty color. It was like a burgundy wine. This was really pretty. It was called Champagne. It was like hints of gold, rose gold, and like kind of a peach. This is the Ruby Kiss brand HD polishes. I think I have a couple of these, but I'm not too big a fan of them. I don't too much like the brushes, and the ones over here, I'm not a big fan of these either, but I think that all of these are $1. They're all very pretty colors.